So in this Fotor tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to generate an AI image here on Fotor. So once you guys have Fotor opened up, I want you to go ahead here and press on Elements in the left-hand side of your screen. Where it says AI Generator, I want you to go and press on AI Image Generator right here. Now, once you're on this screen right here, you can go ahead and describe what you want to see. So, for example, if you wanted to see maybe a dog playing football in outer space, as an example, we'll go one image right here. Then we can go ahead and change the style, so you can go kind of different style that you're looking for. Sci-fi art. Let's just go for this one, etc. And then press on generate. Now, when you're generating right here, you have to go ahead and actually continue with an email or an account, etc. And it'll go ahead and actually use that for yourself and generate an AI image of your choice. So very simple, very straightforward. That's how you guys can generate an AI image here on Fotor. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.